Assalamu alaikum guys. Today's video I'm going to show you how to put the privacy glass iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's start the video. This is the glass, you can see it's black, you can see the privacy. It's a different kind of glass which you using normally is a transparent glass. Guys, you can see this. I already put the glass protector, and this is a privacy glass, and there's very easy to way to put on this thing. And the good thing on the privacy is the only person who's using it who could see it, what's going on, or using what your application, WhatsApp and everything. And on the sides or other places people can't see it. That's the difference, privacy and the normal glass. If you like my video, please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.